5 questions, 5 shots. The shots are made of palm wine mixed with our special alcohol, because we're evil. And the rules of the game are simple. You have 5 questions. Every question you get wrong, you take a shot. If you get them right, you get to leave in peace.
Enugu State is the most northern Igbo state. True or false?
True.
Okay, well done. What Igbo city has the largest urban population?
Huh?
Abuja, you said Abuja?
Yeah.
You should take two.
Oh yeah.
Everybody's. I'm done now. I've definitely tasted this before.
Igbo Ukwu are famous Igbo artifacts made of what metal?
Zinc.
No. Go on.
You're feeling it straight away.
Carry on.
Gịnị ha na-akpọ dog n'asụsụ Igbo?
No, come on. Give me that one.
What do you say? Should we give it to him?
Give it to me.
Is Akata and Inkita the same thing?
No.
I got it right the second time.
Sorry,
Oh God, man.
Inkita.
Jesus Christ.
Chiwetel Ejiofor is a famous Nigerian author. True or false?
I say false.
Count to 10 in Igbo.
One Ofu, 2 Abo, 3 Ato, 4 Onu, 5 Ise, 6 Isi, 7 Asa, 8 Asato, 9 Itebi, 10 Iri.
Gịnị ha na-akpọ goat n'asụsụ Igbo?
I know this. Ewu.
What is the meaning of the Igbo name Amaka?
Take a drink.
What is the middle name of the famous Nigerian author Chimamanda Adichie?
Ngozi.
That is a foul. I can spin the camera to the That is a foul. She doesn't drink. You see why people get involved? Sophia, it's automatic fail.
Oh God. Why does it taste like medicine?
Gịnị ha na-akpọ kola nut n'asụsụ Igbo?
I'm under pressure. Why are you counting? Ochi, something like that.
Take the shot.
What do you call it? Oh, interesting.
hanapo chicken n'asụsụ Igbo.
Ọkụkọ.
What is the capital of Imo State?
Oh, snap. Owerri.
What is the name of the first Igbo president of Nigeria?
Zeke. Ezekwe.
The full name.
Take the shot.
Oh.
You can take it.
The leading protagonist in the famous novel by Chinua Achebe, Things Fall Apart, is named.
Okonkwo.
What year did the Biafran War start?
1967.
Okay, well done. What does the name Chigozie mean?
God is. God is coming. Okay. Oh, so sweet. Oh, so nice.
Don't hit them on purpose. What is the meaning of the famous Igbo saying, Igbo and where is it?
Excuse me. You have a culprit.
I didn't even see it. I didn't see it.
Somebody is trying to sabotage the authenticity of this.
I passed. I don't know that.
It means Igbo people, Igbos have no king.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
That's automatic fail.
That one hit me. Yeah, I'm good.
Abia State was created from which other Igbo state in 1990?
Yeah, one that. Only that one.
No?
Come on.
The University in Nigeria, in Nsukka, is based in which Igbo state?
What's your best kid?
Nsukka.
I'm going to get a bit. Anambra?
Gịnị ha na-akpọ cow n'asụsụ Igbo?
Oh my god. What's it called?
Ehi or efi?